Hey, I'm Bobby Berk, interior design expert, TV host, and author. Lots of strange odors and pollutants can build up when you're doing home renovations. Whether you're doing full-scale demolition or just making small changes, it's really important to keep your indoor air fresh. Fumes, dust, mold, all kinds of pollutants can really contribute to bad indoor air quality when you're doing renovations. Even new furniture and rugs produce a lot of off-gassing for quite some time after you purchase them. So what's something you can do to reduce the amount of pollutants in the air while you're making your home picture perfect? Molekule air purifiers capture and destroy pollutants that come up while you're doing home renovations. These air purifiers even capture and destroy things like pollen and pet dander so that your fur babies don't add to the bad indoor air quality. So you can feel comfy and cozy at home, even when it's a work in progress, like most of our homes usually always are.